Hey everybody, you already know what it is and who it is. It's Makeup by Jaleese here to slay another unit. So in today's video, as you can see, my hair looks a mess. But in today's video, I will be working with ilikehair.com. They are really huge, I'm a really huge fan of their hair. I've worked with them plenty of times. But they sent me over their 13 by 4 realistic kinky edges, y'all. The edges are realistic. We about to get into this wig. This is the unit. This is a 14-inch natural black. Again, 13 by 4 realistic edges in the texture kinky. So of course this is the structure of the wig. I think it came with 4 combs, adjustable strap, all that good stuff that we love. So I don't think this is, I'm not gonna even say that because I don't even know if you can even quote me on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and just tint my cap. You guys seen this process before, so I don't really want to drag it out too much longer. But I just use a little makeup to tint this lace. So I mean, not lace, but to tint my cap. And then also the lace I colored with the same makeup just to get it to, girl. Okay, when I first saw this wig, I'm like, oh no, because I'm not trying to be funny, but my edges don't be looking like this. So I was a little shooketh because I'm like, what kind of edges are they talking about? But I was like, let me just trust the process. Let me just wait and see, because I'm like, I ain't never seen nobody with no edges looking like this. Like, unless your hair not combed or you just look. I'm being honest. So I was like, what the heck is this? It scared me. But then I was like, okay, I'm choking myself trying to hold this down. But I'm like, trust the process. So this is what the unit looks like from ear to ear. It's the first time I'm getting like a kinky texture hair. So I was very it was different. I wasn't used to the texture, but we gonna work it out. So I'm just gonna just cut the lace. And I kept wondering why it was so much edges. Like, why was it so much edges? But then I had to wait until the end. You'll see the end. You'll see the end. Because I felt like the edges was coming like all on my forehead. And I'm like, come on, we got to keep pushing this wig back. But then I was like, oh, wait, duh. Like, it's for you to be able to cut so you can have enough. Like, if you was to cut the lace, the edges would still be there. And I was like, to Jaleese, like, come on now, get yourself together. It has been a minute since I've done a wig review, but, I'm having wig brain fart. But anyways, I'm just going to lay the wig down like I normally do with my spray. One of these days, I'm going to do a full install, like with the glue and everything. But this is honestly really why I like to do this way, because it's very easy and it's convenient. I don't wear these wigs really out like that. I just, wear them for the review. And then if I do want to go out and stuff, I just do it the same way, because I like to take my stuff off. So this is after I laid down the unit. I was still very much scared, but I was like, I'm still going to trust the process, because, we got to trust the process. So I'm just touching up some of the spots that I feel are very noticeable in the lace, just so it can blend in with my skin. I'm going in with my Dermablend makeup, and I really feel like I could have cut a little more, but then I was just like, I just really want to see what everybody is talking about, because everybody's ranting and raving about this type of wig. So I just went ahead. Oh, I'm showing you the parting right here, because I'm like, the parting had me shook, because I'm like, this is like really natural. It's giving very realistic. The parting was everything. So I'm just going just to show you how good the parting was. And I was going to do a side part, and I was just like, no, this is giving like blown out, blow dry, pressed hair, natural looking like natural. This is the most natural wig I've ever tried. So I'm just going to go ahead and just touch up the roots. I didn't even really want to touch her, y'all. I just wanted to have that blown out look, because it is a kinky texture. But yeah, I don't know what I was trying to accomplish. So as you can see, the edges are edging. They're edging, okay? Afro puff in the front of your hair, but it's okay. We are going to figure it out, because again, it's supposed to be realistic. It's supposed to give that I don't have no lace front on, right? So I'm just going to press it a little bit more and just add some heat and a little heat to flatten this hair down a bit. And y'all, I decided, I'm like, Afro puff edges are not for me. And trust me, it's not trying to offend no texture hair. All texture of hair is beautiful, because y'all would come and be like, Afro, but what is she talking about? I'm just saying, realistically, even if your hair is like, I don't even know, like 4C, like I don't even know, when you go get a silk press, them edges be laid, so stop acting like they not. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just add a little heat to it to see, and boom, check me out. Like, this looks real. I was shook. I was like, okay, like they doing something and it's looking like it's coming from the scalp. I'm like, okay, we rocking this. I was sold after I added a little heat to them edges. I was sold. I was like, this is my hair. And I went around the room like swinging like, this is my hair. I don't care. Ooh, I almost burned myself. I'm like, this is my hair. So I'm just going to touch up the roots on this side. And as you guys can see, look how beautiful. It looks like my hair is just blow dried. I love it. Now the lace keep lifting up, but just ignore that because we're going to go and touch that up off camera. But I was like, you guys, yes, I love it because it does give out like this natural 4C. Is it 4C? Like blown out hair. And I'm like here for it. I am so here for it. It just screams natural. It screams realistic. I was really shocked because I'm like, these edges look horrible. But when you add like your own style and your flavor to it, this unit is beautiful, guys. Beautiful edge. Look at that. This is my hair. What are you talking about? 14-inch wear. Like, come on now. This is my hair. I'm going to walk around saying this is my hair, and you can't tell me nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a little curl to it just to see how well it take heat. And you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Oh, look, girl, you did not come to play. You did not come to play, okay? She is ready. She is bouncing. She is flowing. She is giving natural, realistic edges. Y'all playing. Go get this wig. Here's my code right here. Stop playing. Don't waste no more time. They have longer lengths and all those good things. Don't miss out. Thank you, period. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I will put all the information to this wig in the description box. God bless you guys, and I hope you have an amazing, amazing week. Bye. Thanks for watching.